Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Bytes, your go-to channel for learning digital skills. In the last video, we learned how to create, save, and open an Excel workbook. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check it out. Today, we'll move one step further and learn how to enter and format data in Excel. This is super important because formatting makes your data look professional and easier to read. So let's get started. Alright, let's start by entering some basic data into Excel. To type something, just click on any cell armbar and start typing. Once you're done, press Enter to move to the next row or Tab to move to the next column. Let's say we're making a simple sales report. In cell A1 mine, I'll type product name. In B1, I'll type price. And in C1, I'll type quantity. Now let's enter some sample data below these headings. If you make a mistake, no worries. Just click on the cell and start typing again, or press F2 to edit the text inside the cell. Now, what if you want to delete something? Just select the cell and press Delete and Cancel. Or, if you want to remove multiple cells at once, select them and press Backspace. Now that we have some data, let's format it to make it look clean and professional. First, let's bold the column headings to make them stand out. Select my key cells A1 to C1. Then click on the bold button in the Home tab, or just press Ctrl+B. Next, let's center align these headings. With the same selection, click on the Center Align button in the toolbar. Now, it looks much better. Let's also change the font size. Select the headings, go to the font size drop-down, and increase it to 14 characters. Now, let's format the prices properly. Select all the price values in column B, then click on the currency button in the toolbar. Now, the prices have a proper currency symbol. We can also adjust the column width to make sure all the text is visible. Just place your mouse at the edge of a column letter, like B, then double-click. Excel will automatically adjust it to fit the text. Excel has some cool tricks to save time when entering data. Let's say you want to enter numbers in a sequence, like 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Instead of typing manually, just type 1 in a 2, or 2 in a 3 confuse. Then select both cells and drag the small square at the bottom right corner downwards. Excel will automatically fill the rest of the numbers for you. This works for months, dates, and even custom lists. Try typing Monday in a cell, drag it down, and Excel will complete the week for you. And that's how you enter and format data in Excel. Now, your spreadsheets will not only be well organized, but also look professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next lesson. In the next video, we'll learn how to apply basic formulas in Excel. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.